Acres of woodlands going up in flames in Clearfield County. Investigators trying to find out why. Lauren Hensley was in Clearfield County and tells us more about what happened. Lauren?
Well, Marty, when I got on scene this afternoon, the investigators, they were combing through those acres. And now tonight, a lot of questions still remain. Just how many fires were started and what was the cause behind it all. This is what 11 acres of burnt brush looks like. And this is just one fire multiple crews had to battle Wednesday afternoon.
The fire companies arrived on scene. Instead of having one or two fires, they found out there were multiple fires in the area.
The exact number of fires in the fields behind Shiloh Road in Bradford remains unclear, and at this time, so does the cause behind the blazes.
Particularly, wildfires only occur under strict weather parameters, and so when we have weather that meets that parameter, it is possible to receive multiple wildland fires in those areas.
Ling says conditions Wednesday were a little chilly, but spring is peak brush fire season. The Bureau of Forestry took me to 2 sites where the fires broke out, and a third could be seen in the distance. It was a bumpy off-road ride to the site, and Ling says a backhoe had to plow down a path in order to make way for the emergency service vehicles. Ling says as brush fire season is starting, he's asking for the public's cooperation in helping to prevent more brush fires from happening.
We just encourage people to remember, especially this time of year, but more especially any time that they're burning debris, just to be safe, be mindful of the weather conditions, and to make sure that fire is well contained.
Investigators are expected to release more information later this week. Reporting live, Lauren Hensley, 6 News.